After J, what is the letter after J? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. After J, K. Yes, correct. How to write capital K? You have to put a straight line and we have to put a slanting line like this. Yes, capital K and small k. Okay, this is capital K and this is small k. K, kite. Okay, the K sounds like K, 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 K. The K sounds like K, 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 K. Let's sing together loudly. The K sounds like K, K, K. The K sounds like K, K, K. The K sounds like K, K, kite. The K sounds like K, K, kite. Why so lazy? Just stand up and learn it with joy. Okay? One more time. I will tell you 1, 2, 3. Okay? After 3, you have to jump it and say the letter K and its sound. Okay? Okay, ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. The letter K. The letter K. The letter K sounds like K, K, K. The letter K sounds like K, K, K. The letter K sounds like K, K, kite. K, K, kite. Okay? The letter sound K sounds like K. Just pronounce it from here. K, 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 K. Okay? Actually, the letter K, the sound of the letter K is similar to C. Okay? The C also sounds like K, K, K. The same sound K, 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 K. Okay? Both the letter C and the letter K have the similar sound. Okay? The K sounds like K, K, K. Okay, now we learn the letter K and it sounds like K, 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 K. Okay, now let's move to the next letter. What is the alphabet come after K? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K. After K, L, 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 L. Okay. Okay. How to write the capital L? You have to draw a straight line like this and unsleeping line. This is capital L and small l looking, we can write the small l very easily. Just draw a single line. Okay, this is small l. Okay, capital L and this is small l. The L sounds like la. Now keep the tongue here. La. No, that's not Tamil la. Okay, we should not pronounce it like la, what we saying in Tamil. We should be pronounced like, you have to keep the tongue tip in here. La. Okay, the L sounds like la, lemon. Okay, you all like it, the lemon? The lemon taste. What is the taste of the lemon? Okay, you have to ask your mother, tell me the taste of the lemon. Okay, the taste of the, you have to answer on my next classes. Okay, I will ask you the question, how the lemon taste. Okay, now move on to the sound. The L sounds like la. Okay, if you keep your tongue tip in the upper of the upper throat, okay, like this, la. The L sounds like la. The L sounds like la. Okay, lemon. Okay. The L sounds like la, 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 la. Okay. The L sounds like la, la, la. Okay. La, 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 la. Okay. You have to keep your tongue tip on the upper throat. La, 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 lemon. Okay. Now we learn the letter L and its sound. The letter L sounds like la, 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 la. Okay, now next move on to the next letter. Okay, what is the next letter after this L? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. L, after L, M. Very good, M. I think you all are very brilliant. You are saying very correctly. Good. Okay, how to write M? Straight line and another straight line. We have to one slanting line and we have to connect the slanting line like this. Okay, this is capital N, M. The small m looks like this. Okay, small m and this is capital M. The letter M sounds like Okay, we should not open your mouth. The letter M sounds like If your mother giving you don't like the mother giving your food, just don't like, what will you say? The same sound. The letter M sounds like The letter M sounds like monkey. Monkey. Okay. The letter M. Let's sing together. The letter M. The letter M. The letter M sounds like 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 Okay, how will you pronounce the letter M? Okay, the letter M sounds like Okay, we have to pronounce it like im. Okay, how will you say the same sound? The letter M sounds like monkey. Monkey. The letter M. The letter M. The letter M sounds like monkey. The letter M sounds like Okay. Okay, now we go to the next letter. Okay, after M. After M, what is the letter after M? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Very good. After M, N. Okay, let's see how to write the N. First, capital N, isn't it? Okay, we have to put a straight line and we have to draw a slanting line and we have to put a straight line like this. Okay, what next? Small n. The small n. This is a small n. Okay, the n. The n for what is the n for what did you study in your school? N. N for nose. Okay, the N for nose, isn't it? Okay, the N sounds like na, nose. The N sounds like na. Okay, the N sounds like na. The N sounds like na. na, na, na. The N sounds like na, 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 na. Okay, I think you are getting very bored. Okay, jump. Just stand up. Stand, stand, stand. Jump, 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 jump for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, now let's sing a song together. The sound of N. The N, the N, the letter N, the letter N. The letter N sounds like na, 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 nose. Okay, the letter N, the letter N, the letter N sounds like na, 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 nose. Okay, where is your nose? Where is your nose? This is a nose. Okay, the letter N sounds like na, na, na. Okay, you have to keep your tongue on the upper throat. Touch the upper throat. The tip of the tongue should touch your upper throat like this. Na, na, na. Okay, now let's move on to the next letter. Okay, after N, A, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, L, M, N, O. Okay, I'm seeing from here. O, O. Okay, L, M, N, O. Keep your hand like this. O or O like this. O. Just keeping like this. O, 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 O. Okay. Now we write the letter O. How will you write the letter O? Have to put it like a egg. Okay. The small O look like this. This is a capital O and this is small O. Okay. The letter O. The letter O. The letter O sounds like we have to pronounce it like and we should be ended with O lightly. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, ow. The letter O. The letter O. The letter O sounds like ow, ow, ow. Actually, we have to pronounce it like then we have to end it with O. Ow, ow. Okay, we should not complete the O, just lightly. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, ow. Okay, the letter O. The letter O. The letter O sounds like ow, 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 owl. The owl looks very scary. Okay, the letter O sounds like ow, 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 owl, ow, ow, owl, ow, ow, owl. The letter O. Sing together. Come on, come on, come on. Just jump, jump, jump. Okay, come on, come on. The letter O. The letter O. The letter O sounds like ow, and O, little bit. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. The letter O sounds like ow, ow, ow. Okay. Next, we move to the next letter.